Well, from my perspective, uh, there are a lot of machines people usually use at home to help them. Um, for example, the traditional type, such as washing machine, dishwasher, and vacuum cleaner, uh, is very uh, is very useful for own household chore. Uh, on on a basics on the basics family. Um, However, there are some advanced ones, uh, such as your household robots, which is controlled by the remote or your voice. It can help people with save their time, and they can spending the quality time to do anything more essential. Mm, and then I think it's very it's it also very convenient if you are going and traveling far from the home. You can use the app or remote to manipulate them in the far.
You structured your answer well by comparing traditional appliances with smart technology, which provides great depth for part 3. You also used nice vocabulary like manipulate, though you might want to use simpler terms like control or operate in a natural conversation. Focus on grammar. Use the with superlatives, as in the most essential, and change can spending to can spend. For pronunciation, practice the transition between advice and advance, and try to connect the word more fluid.
Next question.
The next question for you is, what is your opinion on whether parents should teach their children to help with housework?
Well, personally, I think personally, parent again. Personally, I think this statement is very true, because now the, this teach can help them improve their soft skill when they start go to the real life, such as this washing dishes, or cooking. I think this also can reduce a large amount of cost to buy washing dishwasher and go to the restaurant. Besides, I think this very crucial because the parent is kind of busy, so their children need to do household chore for helping them when they have few time to do.
You made a very practical point about how chores teach independence and save costs. To refine your delivery, try using the plural parents are busy instead of parent is kind of busy. Also, instead of phrases like reduce a large amount of cost, you could say save a lot of money. For fluency, focus on smoother links between your ideas by using transition words like furthermore or in addition.
Okay, thank you. Next question.
Here is the next question. How can children help their parents at home?
Yes, definitely. Children also help their parents in doing household chore and basic things such as washing dishes and their clothes, or even lift a heavy thing. I I think is so enough for them to do. Uh, however, however, this their action is actually for actually enough for make the parent happy as a day.
You made a strong point about the emotional value of children helping. To improve, make sure to use the plural form dishes instead of dish. Also, instead of live a heavy thing, try saying lifting heavy objects. When concluding, phrases like brighten their parents' day or bring joy to their day would sound very natural.